Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download photos from iCloud on iPhone. So make sure that your iOS and your iCloud is turned on. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up my browser. And basically what I'm going to do, on the iCloud.com, tab photos, and then select the photo or the video and select multiple photos or videos, and then tab more than one. To select the entire library, tab select all, tab the more button, and then choose download, then tab download to confirm. So go ahead to the icloud.com, log in with your Apple account with the same password that you had on your Apple. Next, tab more than one photo or specific photo if you have photo or a video. Then eventually you can tab the more button, and then basically you can download the photos to your files or your albums. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.